Hi, welcome to this video. We're gonna guide you through how to create a website with Wix Studio 2026, beginner friendly. In today's beginner friendly, I'm going to show you how to create a professional website using Wix Studio, step by step. No coding required. By the end, you will have fully functional modern website ready to publish. Let's get started. First of all, if you haven't signed up already, go to wix.com, right, and sign up with email or Google and choose your project type: business, portfolio, online store. Wix Studio is more advanced than regular Wix, right? Great for professional site. Step 2, choose how you want to build. You will get two options to build your website, especially if you are new. Option 1, AI website builder. Option 2, start from template. Option 1, like AI website builder, answer a few questions, Wix generates a full website. Option 2, you can start from template, which is recommended. Choose a design, customize it manually. Beginners should start with a template. So now I'm gonna create a new website, let's say, right? And I can go ahead and use AI for that, just change my mind and tell them like, first tell me what your site is all about. Let's say it's a cooking site, right? If you just tell AI, if you feed AI what you do, then the AI will do its thing, right? Which is generating a full template. What is the name of your cooking site? Let's say Jonah Dish, right? Now all I gotta do is just wait here, and it says Jonah Dish sounds tasty. Would you like to add a blog to share your recipes? You could just type yes or no, depending on your journey, right? Do you plan to sell anything like cookbooks or online classes? Yes or no, if you're a beginner, right? Now they're gonna generate like a template to choose from, right? So it says guided for selling items like cookbooks. I recommend adding an online store or Wix store. Would you like that feature? Yes. All I gotta do is just wait for a few moments. Now they will add an online store to help create your site on content. What is the main inspiration behind your cooking? You can skip that question or take your time creating your cooking site, in my case. Right? You can browse templates based on your niche: business, portfolio, agency, e-commerce, right? So here are the apps we recommend to boost your website: booking, online stores, and you can just skip for now. You're all set. You can go ahead to your dashboard and your website will be generated, right? But if you selected the second option, which is browsing templates, you can basically see many templates, right? For businesses, portfolio, agency, e-commerce. Choose one with clean layout, good structure, mobile friendly design. And you can click edit to open the editor. Okay. Next, understand the editor, right? Inside Wix Studio, right? You could go ahead here. Excuse me. Let me go ahead to my site. Inside, you see like sections, drag and drop elements, design panel. Everything is visual, so no coding needed for this, right? All I gotta do is just hit edit somewhere. Sorry if it takes so long. Yeah, head here, design site. It's gonna take you to your website. Okay. Just wait for a few moments till they open your website, your new website basically. Alright, and inside you're gonna be able to browse the side panel sections like header, body, footer. You can add text, you can add visuals, you can add buttons, etc. Everything is visual, so you don't need coding experience here, right? And then you can customize your website. Now edit your content, right? You can change the text by clicking the text inside your new website, right? Click any part of text and replace with your content. You can replace also images. You can click an image or double click an image and replace it with something else, or you can use stock images if you prefer, right? You can edit colors and fonts. You can use your brand colors and keep fonts consistent, right? You can also add important pages. Your site should include home, about, services, contact. To add pages, you can find the pages menu here on the side panel, right? And click add page. Sorry for taking so long, but I don't have the perfect PC, so that's why it's taking so long, right? But you can see right here, this is the side panel where you can work on your design, your website. You can add features like contact forms, buttons, galleries, videos. Just drag and drop elements into your page and make it mobile friendly. Once you're done, you're gonna see a mobile kind of icon at the top where you can visualize and see the final preview, right? Or the final view. You can adjust layout, fix spacing, resize elements. Most traffic comes from mobile, so don't skip this, right? You can connect your domain if needed, right? But you need to purchase in order to make your site more professional, like with your own name and everything. So you need to go to settings and domains, right? Let's say Jonah, or let me click this side where it's gonna take me. It's gonna take me to the dashboard, really, where I should basically pay for the domain, right? In the home page, they're gonna ask you to add a custom domain or buy a domain, right? To help your site rank, you can add page titles, write meta descriptions, use keywords, optimize images. So basically, you can do all of that to enhance your search. Right? And you can preview your website once you're done. Once you're done, all you gotta do is just hit preview next to publish and test the navigation and check links, right? And fix any issues. Once you're done, you can hit the publish button here at the top. And as I said, you can see the mobile icon here to switch, right? And congratulations, your website is live. So if you want to buy a domain, you can connect a custom domain, or you can just go ahead and find inside settings. You can find domains section where you can connect, manage, edit your domains. But of course you need to upgrade in order to access that, right? Because here right here, many domains tailored to your site and how much you should pay a year. So as you can see right here, you can get free websites or free domains, for free first year, and then you have to pay $14.95 a year for this domain particularly. So, and let's go back to the website. As we said here, you can add elements like text, image, button, strip, everything really. Okay, you can, as we said, click a text here, double click and edit it, right? You can see right here pages and menu where you can add a page, right? And name it about or something else, right? If it's not there. You can also add images in media or choose a stock image provided by Wix, right? You can say here, this is the image, and if I want to change it, you can just hit manage media. It's gonna take you to the same place. You can change your your header. You can add media from your own library if you have a preference. Okay, make it, as we said, mobile friendly. Switch to mobile, right, in order to see how your website will look like. You can build business websites, portfolios, landing pages, online stores, agency sites, but if it's not working on phones, you might lose a huge chunk of audience. Alright. Pro tip: keep design clean and simple. Fix quality images. Focus on user experience. Add clear call to action buttons and optimize for speed. Avoid overcrowded design, too many colors, ignoring mobile view, or slow loading images, or no clear purpose. So, to rewind, open Wix Studio, choose a template, customize content, add pages, optimize mobile experience, and publish. Done. Building a website with Wix Studio in 2026 is one of the easiest ways to create a professional online presence without coding. Whether you're building a brand, portfolio, or business, Wix Studio gives you everything you need in one place. Focus on clean design, clear message, simple navigation. That's how you create a website that actually works. So, consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time, see you.